How to remove Instagram account from another phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can remove Instagram account from another phone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to remove your Instagram account from another phone, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Instagram application. Tap the profile icon here. Tap on the three lines option from the top right and then just go to account center. Once you go to account center, go to password and security. From password and security, in order to remove everyone, one thing that you can do is to change your password. So when you change the password for your Instagram account, everyone who's logged in will get automatically logged out. Or what you can do is you can review the devices manually by tapping on where you are logged in, see a list of those devices logged into your Instagram account, and then just tap the logger option to log out of those devices. This way you can remove Instagram account from another device. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.